Oh, there's even more. Right there. Come on, little Bella, you can make it. You can get in there.
Good, Bella. Leaving you.
Oh, Shanti.
Shanti.
Come on. Lola. Hi, Dash. Excited to take a break from screaming?
Get in there, Bella.
Oh, Sophie. Piper. Baxter and Bodie, what are you doing in that corner down there? Come on, Baxter. Bodie. Baxter, there's your cute little face.
Baxter.
Gracie May. Hello, beautiful. Little Leo. Leo. Piper. Piper.
Piper.
Did Maddie get in there on his own?
Yeah, he did.
Wow.
He did.
Gracie May.
This one's a little big for him, but...
In there by himself. That's all that matters. I put him in there yesterday and he stood in there for a minute, but... What's up, cutie pie? Sadie, why are you hanging out in the corner? You don't want to be in the craziness?
Oh, Shanti.
Prince, there's none of that. Ellie Belly. Hi, beautiful. I know, it's almost lunchtime, Bailey.
In the water again.
Prince.
Come on, Bella.
Scooby, get down.